All right, so here we have that abandoned mine shaft. Okay, there definitely is no trespassing signs. Uh-oh, dentures from bullets. Maybe this wasn't such a good idea. Jesus freaking Christ, oh my God. Hey everybody, today we are gonna be exploring an abandoned mine that's not too far from the town of Rachel, Nevada and Area 51. It looks like there's some mine shafts here, some old equipment, some cars, and a bunch of big oil drums. So we're gonna walk around the area and check it out and see what we can find. Let's go. All right, man, it's cold. All right, so the town of Rachel, Nevada is over there. There's a mine shaft there. There's one here. We're gonna quickly walk around it. It's cooling off out here. It's pretty darn cold, even though the sun's out. I think it's like 28 degrees, but that's besides the point. Ooh, a van. That looks like it's seen better days. Looks like we got the old conveyor belt here that would bring out whatever it was they mined for. I think it was tungsten, if I do believe. I read an article a long time ago that said either this mine or a mine in the area was known for mining tungsten. So it's probably what it was. Let's see if we can see what's in there. Oh man, it's cold. All right. Oh, it looks like they got it blocked off. If I was here with a couple buddies, I may try to go in there. But then again, the last thing I want is that crashing down on my head. I mean, I do have pretty good health coverage, but I don't want to test it. Okay, we're gonna walk around this way, because if I walk that way, the sun's gonna wash everything out. You're not gonna be able to see everything. All right, let's make it up this hill here. Oh, there's a lot of stuff left here. It looks like this was another area where they had tungsten or whatever it was coming out of, and they'd bring it all up the conveyor belts and into this rather fine looking building right here. Could use a little work. I should have wore gloves, but I'm from Minnesota, so this should not be fazing me. Ooh, look, art. Looks like those are just filled with sand and probably used for target practice. Or dirt. What else are you gonna do out here? All right, the good stuff. Yeah, you can definitely see tracks out here. If you guys know what these tracks are, let me know in the comments down below. I'm gonna say deer, maybe coyote. Yeah, definitely probably a coyote. It just looks like a dog's footprint, and they're closely related to coyotes from what I know. Here's some of the equipment. If you guys know what any of this stuff did or what it was used like specifically for, let me know. There's a lot of old parts here. Whoa. Oh, look, a steering wheel. I bet it belongs to either that van or that truck. We'll go check it out in a second. All these gears and pulleys and different mechanical parts. Oh, wow. Let's give it a little turn. Okay, that didn't work. All right, we're gonna go check out these vehicles. Bet this was a Dodge. Yeah, this is a Dodge minivan. My mom had one like this, but you can also see the Dodge logo on there. Wow, this thing looks like someone definitely wanted to get rid of it. Look, there's a shoe in there, some liquid for a vehicle it looks like, batteries, maybe a cell phone charger, a bottle of something. Gauges are still in there. Probably belong to a chick because there is a brush down there. Yeah, I am assuming. Big deal, get over it. All right, let's see what else we got. Looks like this was part of a trailer of some sort. Yeah, those tires are bad. It's like someone shot that out. 9mm, maybe 22? Nah, probably not a 22. All right, let's go check out that truck. That thing looks like it's from like the, I don't know, 1950s or so. Looks like there's another back end of a truck over there. Hands are starting to freeze. I love exploring in Arizona, but I mean Nevada. There's just so much out here. I feel like Arizona definitely has its fair share of ghost towns and mines and things like that, but Nevada is just amped way up. There's a lot here. I think there's even more buildings down there. I don't know if we'll get to go down there today. Maybe we'll have to come back another day. All depends on how much battery I have left and how long that sun stays out. Anyway, let's check out the truck. Hey, look at this beauty. I bet this thing conquered the streets or the hills or the mountains in its day. 8-cylinder? 6-cylinder? I have no idea. If you guys do, you know the drill. Let me know in the comment section down below. Probably a winch on there. Those tires are actually pretty beefy. Just a little low on air. Oh, check this out. Ugh. Had to do that. I wish we could see how many miles were on there, but that's not gonna happen. Man, look how many different shifters you have. What's that, the choke? Let's check out the truck bed here. Oh, hey, bullet holes, bullet holes. Nothing in the truck bed here. It's so interesting when you drive around areas like this and you see all this old abandoned stuff, especially this truck. Always kind of makes you wonder what the story was. Who had it last? Why is it sitting here? And what it was used for? We may never know, but hopefully the person that owned that maybe sees this video and they can tell us a little bit about it. I'm not gonna count my chickens, but you never know. This day actually turned out not to be too bad. I thought it was gonna be a lot colder than what it actually was, but there's little to no wind. It's about in the mid-30s right now, and the sun is still high in the sky, but once that dips, we're gonna be done because it's gonna be cold, and GoPros don't do well in low light, unfortunately. Well, the upside about coming out here in the winter is we really don't have to worry about rattlesnakes. They're probably all sleeping. All right, so now, I don't know how well you can see it because that sun is pretty bright. We're gonna walk over to that little building, or mine shaft there, and see what's inside. All right, so here we have that abandoned mine shaft. Let's walk down here. Not trip or fall. Woo! It looks like animals come in here. Okay. What is that? Holy Jesus! I'm assuming. Oh, God dang. Gall darn teenagers. Ooh, Jesus. Like the second heart attack I've almost had today. Man. You never know what you're gonna find when you're in Rachel, Nevada, or Area 51 territory. But this is that abandoned mining shaft here. It doesn't look like there was like another exit or entrance though, so maybe this was just like a little shed for storage or something. I don't know. The looks of it, it looks like the local teens have made this their hangout. Pretty cool. Drink a few beers, hang out. Can't hate on that. Wake up. The truth is out there. John Cameron, Jade, Thug Life. Oh, geez. Thanks, Rachel. So there's a bottle here. Rodent droppings, bunch of fur, birds, and coyotes probably come in here and chill. I mean, it'd keep you out of the wind, so smart thinking. I don't think he's waking up, so this is probably one of them that busted out during the Storm Area 51 event. Looks like he didn't make it too far. All right, you ready? We're gonna go. Sound like a parent. Okay, so I was just getting ready to head out, but then I remembered last time I went on Google Earth to look at Rachel, Nevada. It did look like there were some other abandoned buildings further down from the mine on this road here. So we're gonna drive a little further down and see if we can find them. If we can, we'll go check them out. If not, well, I guess we'll just kick rocks back to Vegas. Stay tuned. Thank you, Google Maps. Okay, there definitely is no trespassing signs on that one, so we're not gonna trespass. We can still drive around here and take a peek. Looks like there's like another little mining area over there. Probably won't go over there today because we've already checked out the other one, but there's another house here. No trespassing posted. Okay, we won't trespass. And another shed here. All right, well, we won't trespass. Look at that car. I bet if those boards could talk, they could definitely tell some stories. Same over there too. If anything, I bet these houses right here, they probably belong to like some of the foremen that worked up in the mine just over the mountains. Makes sense. They probably had more out here at one point in time. I mean, they got the mine over there, and it looks like there's another one. I don't know how well you can see it, but probably over there. I think we're gonna head on out of here. Maybe get some more video of the mountains, because I don't get to see mountains like this too often. In Arizona, I gotta drive maybe a couple hours north. But Nevada mountains, I don't know. I think they're cooler than Arizona mountains. So there you have it, friends, family, viewers. That was the abandoned mine near Area 51 / Rachel, Nevada. I'm pretty sure anyone can come out here. Judging by the looks of it, it's not really cared for. So if you ever come on out here and want to do some exploring, I'd recommend this place. Until then, we'll see you guys next week. Take care. All right, not a peep out of you till we get home.